In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add ellipsis to truncated text in Webflow. To get started, open your project in Webflow and go to the page where your text appears. Once you're on the canvas, click to select the text element you want to work with. This can be a paragraph, a heading, or a text block. The key here is to make sure you're selecting the exact element that contains the text you want to truncate, because the styling needs to be applied directly to that element. After selecting the text, move over to the Style panel on the right side of the screen. This is where you will control the visual formatting and text behavior for the selected element. If you're new to Webflow, the Style panel is where most of your design adjustments happen, so it's a good place to get comfortable working. Next, scroll down until you find the typography section. This area contains all the settings related to how your text looks and behaves, including font choices, spacing, alignment, and some more advanced text controls. Once you're there, look for the option labeled More Type Options and click it to expand the additional settings. With those extra typography settings visible, locate the Truncate option. This setting is used when you want text that doesn't fit within its available space to be shortened in a clean, polished way. Instead of cutting off abruptly, you can choose ellipsis so the text ends with 3 dots. Select ellipsis to apply that effect. At this point, Webflow may show you a built-in smart guidance warning. This is helpful because ellipsis only works properly when a few other text behaviors are set correctly. Go ahead and click Apply. When you do, Webflow will automatically set the element's overflow to hidden and line breaking to no wrap. These settings make sure the text stays on a single line and any extra content is visually clipped, allowing the ellipsis to appear as intended. Once that's done, your truncated text should now display with an ellipsis whenever it extends beyond the available space. This is especially useful for card layouts, navigation labels, headlines, or any design where you want to keep text neat and consistent without manually shortening the content. Preview the page and test how the text looks within different container widths to make sure the result fits your design. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.